Hey classes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to upgrade your defenses and give your enemies a tough time, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the double cannon in Clash of Clans. Let's jump right in. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open the Clash of Clans application. So first thing first, to unlock the double cannon, you need to access to the builder base. If you don't have already unlocked the builder base, head over to the ship on your home village map. Fix it up and sail across your builder base. Now, double cannon is one of the first defense structure you can unlock in builder base. It's available at builder hall level 2, which is super early in the game. All you need to do is upgrade your builder hall to level 2. The double cannon will be available to build. To build it, tap onto the build menu, then defenses, and you will see the double cannon right there. And only takes a few seconds to build, so you will have it ready in no time. But wait, there is more. Did you know you can bring the double cannon to your home village too? To do this, you will need to unlock the gear up option. Once you meet all these requirements, tap onto your village cannon, sell it gear up, and your master builder will handle the upgrade. Keep in mind, the master builder can only work one project at a time, so make sure he is available. And that's it. With your double cannon ready, your defenses will pack a serious punch, whether you are protecting your base or building your home village.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.